Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy 2019. Today we are just going to be doing a little chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. Today I thought it would be fun to just sit down and talk about some 2019 goals. I don't know, and just literally sit down and talk to you guys. I literally feel like it's been forever. I'm not entirely sure how long this video will be, so make sure you grab a snack, grab your makeup brushes, and let's get ready together. So I'm going to start off by priming my face. You guys already know the deal. You guys already know which one that I use. If you don't know, I use the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Primer. I'm using the pore minimizing one, tapping that into the areas where I need a little bit of help, which is definitely right here. I hope you all had an amazing holiday season. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, a great New Year's, all the above. I filmed us opening our gifts, so I will include some clips now.
Oh, let's see. What is it?
It's for you.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
What did he get?
I get jacket.
He did get a jacket.
What is it?
What is it? Oh, that's a nice one. Open, open. Yep, open. What do you guys think it is? Are you serious? When did you get this? Go ahead, open it up, rip it up, tear it up. Babe, help her, babe. Help both of them. It's a mixer set. Cute.
Oh, what is that?
Minnie. Whoa. Paw Patrol. Wow. Oh my goodness. What did you get? Minnie. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Mickey.
You got Ariel. Cute. And then after that, I was literally just like, I don't want to vlog anymore. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, like I told you guys, my life isn't that interesting. I'm so happy to be back filming just because my #1 goal for 2019 is to expand my channel. And I feel like I say that at the beginning of every single year. And I think I've been doing a pretty good job. It's just, I do feel like my channel has sort of been at like a standstill, and I'm literally trying to figure out what it is. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong with my channel and how I can fix it. You know what I mean? I feel like I've been stuck, not only number-wise, but content-wise. You know what I mean? I don't know, for me it's hard because I always ask you guys like, hey, what do you want to see? Hey, what do you want this? Especially on Instagram, I ask you guys the types of videos you guys want to see, and then when I post the video, it just doesn't do that good as I thought it would. You know what I mean? If you guys didn't know, views are everything on here on YouTube. That's how people get paid. You know, I've mentioned before, lucky for me, I am able to get paid from YouTube, but I want to make this a full-time thing because this is what I love to do. I love to, not just makeup, but like filming. You know what I mean? Like, I love making videos, I love editing. When I do upload, I'm like, man, I'm so proud of the video that I put up, but when it doesn't do good, that's when I'm like, goodness, you know what I mean? So that's what I mean when I say I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing here. I'm trying to figure out the type of content I want to put up. I'm trying to figure out the type of audience that I'm really targeting here. I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick. This one is in medium 110W. I do have some breakouts going on right here, but honestly I think it's the pregnancy. Like, I never break out right here on my chin ever, and I have some going on right here, so I definitely do think it's just the pregnancy, but whatever. I also just got a new planner, and my goal is to definitely not just use it to plan out my day-to-day life, but to plan out my YouTube videos. So far right now I have this week and next week all planned out, which is great. Like, I don't know, I want to do more, you know what I mean? Like, I love doing beauty videos and I love doing vlogs, but I think my problem is really trying to incorporate more lifestyle videos onto my channel, because to be honest, when I started my channel, I was just a strictly beauty video thing like that. Oop, there I go, I'm stuttering, you guys, I'm stuttering. Yeah, I was just strictly beauty videos, and so I think right now my main base audience is beauty lovers, you know what I mean? That's why I started thinking that's why my views are so low, because I am trying to just incorporate all these different things onto my channel, which I guess brings me back to my first point. When I do ask you guys the types of videos you guys want to see, you guys are all for lifestyle type videos, or vlogs I guess you can say, but those videos just don't do good, you know what I mean? And I don't even know, honestly. Like I said, my views are totally different from when I first had started my channel. So like I said, right now I'm really just trying to figure out my rhythm here. I'm really just trying to figure it all out. But I think right now what I'm just going to continue doing, my brush literally just broke. I think right now what I'm going to continue doing is just uploading beauty content, but also when I say lifestyle, I really want to start incorporating my morning routines, or like my mommy routines, or like, you know, my Sunday routines, something like that, routine videos, you know what I mean? Like that's what I mean by lifestyle. That's definitely a goal of mine for 2019. Overall, the main goal is to definitely be consistent. I noticed, which of course does make sense, when I am consistent, my channel grows, you know? Right now, I don't have a set number of subscribers I wanna be at by the end of the year. My goal literally is just to be consistent and farther than what I am now. Sorry, I used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This one is in light beige. Love this concealer, by the way. I've been wanting to try it forever. I finally got my hands on it. And I'm blending it out with the Sonia beauty sponge. These things are freaking amazing. I ordered mine on Target.com. Obviously, if you live in the States, just go to Target and get one. So that's definitely the first goal of 2019. I feel like that completely just fleshed me out, but honestly, you guys, it's the lights. I feel like I'm like looking at oh my gosh, my viewfinder and my laptop, and dang, I feel like I blend in with the wall, but it's totally fine, guys. Totally fine. We're gonna make it. I just feel so motivated. My only fear, I guess you can say, is that I'm gonna lose that motivation. So my thing is, how can I not fall back into a rut? You know what I mean? Like, how can I continue that motivation? My second 2019 goal obviously is my fitness goal. I feel like everyone sort of has a fitness goal when it comes to a new year, you know what I mean? Which is great. But I'm so excited because I've started going back to the gym. So in my second trimester, I totally was just like, I'm just gonna coast through this. I'm gonna enjoy my pregnancy. I'm gonna eat whatever I wanna eat, whatever. If you guys didn't know, I'm in my third trimester now. I'm so excited. March is almost here. I'm due in March. So yeah, I was like, okay, well, it's time to get back into business. I loved enjoying myself while I could, but I feel like towards the end of my second trimester, I literally was like, ugh, like I want to go work out. You know what I mean? My first time back to the gym was last week, and that was my first time back to the gym in like a month and a half. And to me, that's a very long time away from the gym, for me at least. I wasn't upset with how much time I took off from the gym. I wasn't upset with what I was eating, but I definitely got to that point where I was like, I'm ready. You know what I mean? Like, I'm ready to get back to the gym, and I'm ready to get back to eating healthy. So that's where I am now. Right now, my concern obviously is not losing weight, obviously, right? My concern is just getting back into the habit of working out and getting back into the habit of eating healthy. You know what I mean? So far, I think I'm doing a really good job. Obviously, I'm not eating in portions right now. No, it's just I'm eating better and I'm working out. And it just makes me so happy. You know what I mean? And then after I have my baby, that's definitely, it's time to like kick into. Okay guys, honestly, I'm very sorry. I have no idea where I left off. Some friends just stopped by with my dad and the girls, and I was a little sidetracked, so I have no idea where I left off, but let's just hope that was the ending of that. Another resolution that I really want to stick to and I really want to be good at is saving money. Cyrus and I'm not gonna lie, we're not the best at saving money. We save money, we're just not the best at it, you know what I mean? But I really do want to be good at that. I just really want to be better at saving money. There we go. I want to be better at it. I want to be better at saving money. So far I have 4. I have my channel, I have my fitness, I have being better at saving money, and this one, I think this may be my last one. Maybe, I don't know. But I definitely want to be, I totally forgot I just broke my damn brush. I definitely want to be on my phone less, you know what I mean? I just really want to be more present, I guess you can say. Like wherever we go, I'm always just like, oh my gosh, get my phone, like I want to take a video, I want to take a picture of this or whatever, you know? Like obviously, like if we're at dinner or something, I'm not on my phone, but I'm just saying, like when I'm at home, whatever, chilling, I'm literally always on my phone. Like I'm on my phone more than I like interact with other human beings. I hate it. I just want to be, like I said, more in the moment. I want to be more present. I want to be all of that, you know what I mean? A few videos ago, I was talking to you guys about comparing myself. That's where I feel like a lot of my phone time comes in, you know what I mean? So that's another reason why I really want to be on my phone less. It's so I'm just not sitting there looking at other people's lives and looking or thinking that I'm doing something wrong. You know what I mean? What's that saying? Like, if you don't post it, did it really happen? I used to literally freaking live by that. I just don't want to do that. I just don't want to be that. You know what I mean? Okay, so I just bronzed up my face a little bit with my ColourPop bronzer. Everything I use will be listed down below for you guys. As always, everything will be linked. Also, okay, one more thing, I lied. There's one more thing. I want to be more, I don't want to say organized because I feel like I'm pretty organized, but I just want to be realistic with my goals. Does that make sense? So I brought up organizing because I was thinking of my planner. Like, obviously I write everything down in my planner, but I want to be more realistic with my goals. So obviously I think it's really important to have a long-term goal, but I think it's also really, really important to have short-term goals, or breaking that long-term goal into smaller goals, right? I literally used to be like, I'm gonna work out this many times a week, I'm gonna film this many times a week, and I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, knowing very well that it's just not gonna happen. You know what I mean? But I would still write it down in my planner, thinking that I'm gonna do it, knowing I wasn't gonna do it. You know what I mean? Right now, my goal is to upload Wednesdays and Sundays. If I'm able to sneak in another video, great. But the goal now is 2 videos a week. But I used to write down, I'm gonna get up 3 videos a week, knowing very well I was not gonna do that. You know what I mean? But that's also with my fitness goals. Right now, with me being pregnant, my goal is just to get in the gym 3 times a week. That's it. 3 times for at least 30 minutes. The minimum is 30 minutes. So that's what I mean about setting realistic goals. You know, I have to be honest with myself and knowing that that's just not who I am. Do I want to be that type of person? Absolutely. But it's not going to happen overnight. You know what I mean? So it's just working towards that thing, right? Does that make sense? I hope it does, because it makes sense in my head. Anyway, I want to set certain hours, because like I told you guys, I do want to make this a full-time thing. I'm so invested in this and I'm so ready for this. But with that, I'm a wife and I'm a mother, so I don't want to be doing this when everybody's like chilling in the living room. Sorry, my camera's shaking. Milana, stop! I do want to have set hours when I'm filming, set hours when I'm editing. You know, like set hours when I'm working, period. You know what I mean? So yeah, I have to figure that out. But that is essentially the goal. Not to spend the whole day editing, spend the whole day filming while my family's out there chilling and stuff. You know what I mean? Anywho, you guys, those are my goals for 2019. Those are my New Year's resolutions. And now, right now, obviously, like I said, the plan is just to execute all of that. The plan is to start achieving them. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add Bad Habit, the contouring powder that I used in my crease, just to sort of even everything out. But anyways, what are some of your guys' New Year's resolutions? I don't know, you guys, I just have a good feeling about 2019. Like, 2018 was a really good year for me and my family. It was a really good year for us. Yes, honey. Okay. And so for 2019, you guys, I literally just have such a good feeling. Like, alrighty guys, and that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat, get ready with me. I'm so ready for 2019. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Please be sure to read the description box for anything I may have missed. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you can hear my kids, they're back there in the front going crazy. Like I was saying, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.